Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Kneeling down and nice and relax. Use your thumb to place about base of your skull, beginning of your neck, and just press here. Okay, here, base of your head, beginning of your neck. Here, there is some spot. So gently press here and circle. Reverse circle. And release. Okay, so now, tuck your neck, interlace your hands behind and forward. Gently press your head. Now, slightly move your head 45-degree angle so that you can get stretch on the different angle of your neck. Keep breathing. And start cultivating deep and long breath. Now let's do the other side. 45-degree angle. Slightly change the angle so that you can get different part of your neck stretched. Always working on Ujjayi Pranayama. And back to center. Look straight and release. Good. Okay, from here, just gently circle your head. So we are getting ready for bedtime. Slowly, gently release all tension from your body, especially around your neck and shoulders. And make sure to do reverse circle. Maybe nighttime stretch is much slower than morning stretch. Okay, now big rotation of your shoulders. Reverse circle. And roll your back. And slightly arch your back. And roll your back. We are doing cat and cow pose while we are kneeling down. Inhale to arch your back. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, slight arch. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale. and exhale. One more inhale and exhale. And back to center. Now stretch your knees. A little bit knee open about your hip distance. And just gently open and close your toes. And a little bit tapping to the mat. And from here, inhale, exhale, roll your back. And grab your thigh or your toes. Don't worry about your posture right now. And feel free to bend your knees. And roll your back. You don't have to keep your back straight. And just hang there. Feel free to do little bounce. And you notice any tension. Use inhale and exhale your breathing to release. Now, release. Okay, now let's lay down on your back slowly. Here, bring your knees slightly close to your hips. Inhale, roll your hips up, tiny bridge. Exhale to roll your hips down. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, roll down your hips. Inhale, roll up to massage your spine. Down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Now, both knees windshield to the side. Exhale. Just let it go. Let it go. Inhale. Let it go. Relax. Relax. And both knees to the right. Feel free to use your hand to press your knee down. And left arm open. And breathe. Inhale as you exhale back to center. Let's do the other side. Just drop your knees to the left. Hold your knees down. Right arm open. Breathe. And when you are ready, inhale as you exhale back to center. Okay, now interlace your hands and press behind your head. Inhale, exhale, tuck your chin. Straight, try to look toward the navel. And change the gaze. And down. Let's repeat. Inhale, exhale, tuck your chin. And change the gaze to the side. Inhale, exhale, relax one more time. Inhale, tuck your chin, bring your head. And slightly shift your gaze. Back to center and relax. And from here, I want you to, as you inhale, I want you to really tighten all muscles, your chest and limbs and the hips and the core, everything, even facial muscle. Ready? Tighten, 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 everything tight, tight, tight. Tight, everything tight. As you inhale. And exhale, release. Stretch your arms. And let it go. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!